back to my channel. Today I'm gonna get ready to go out for drinks. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me in the process. So I'm gonna go out for drinks tonight with the girls, which I haven't done in a super long time. I love getting ready and I love hanging out with the girls, but I'm just so lazy lately. You know, it's gonna be fun. So I am gonna put my hair up in a sleek back ponytail. One, because my hair is already like gelled up, so I don't have time to like wash it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this outfit that I'm wearing right now. But this is the back, so it's like nice if not all my hair is in front of it. I was first thinking of wearing like a corset, but you know, I live in Holland and it's March, so it's cold, and also in a restaurant it's just cold, and I get cold really quick. So to wear a corset, I know I'm just gonna be freezing. I do want to like look fancy and wear something cool, so that's why I thought of the top, and I'm just like wearing jeans, and I was thinking about like putting like sexy black like pointy heels on, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna start with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. In real life, my light is like super warm and I just look way warmer and prettier like in my mirror than what my phone like camera is filming right now. But I hope it's fine. I really hope. We're going to Amsterdam. If you want to go for drinks, that's just like the most fun thing to do. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the color 4 medium. I never really buy clothes for like going out or going to dinner because I rarely do that. And when I'm like buying clothes, I just don't want to spend my money on like going out clothes because I never do that. I just never go out. So it's kind of like, it feels like a waste of money to like buy something and then just have it like laying in my closet and I'm not gonna wear it. But if I go out and I am in need of a good outfit, then it sucks because then I don't have a good outfit. Now I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in the color 5 medium, and I'm gonna apply this underneath my eyes, my chin, and underneath my nose. I get really red there, and then just on my spots, and then also I'm gonna put a wing here like so. While this is sitting, I'm gonna be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, and I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with black eyeshadow. I don't know why I do this, but I've been just doing this since forever. I can't remember me having like, well, I once bought like this one from Benefit, but after that I cannot remember me buying an eyebrow pencil. I've just always used eyeshadow, but maybe that's also because brows weren't really a like huge thing in my routine because I have pretty big brows for myself and I don't really need to like draw them or anything. I just need to fill them in. So I've always just like used eyeshadow. I am really looking to buy a camera. I kind of want the like DJI pocket camera that everyone's using right now. This looks nice. It's not so big. It looks really easy to use. Really want that thing. And then also, I don't have the trouble of right now my iPhone fucking up the quality because I definitely do not look like this. Next, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. I don't know if there's shades of this. Maybe there is, but I cannot find. Oh, I'm lying. It's in the shade medium deep. Last time I was like looking for it and I just couldn't find it, but I'm debating if I'm gonna put like eye makeup on. I just want to feel really like I put effort in it, and I just don't want my makeup to look like how it looks every day. when I just do like my glam, I never wear eyeshadow, so I don't know if I'll be good at it. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. I'm gonna bronze with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I have everything Charlotte Tilbury. That wasn't always the case, but since I have it, I like it. And I love using it. So I was, by the way, this is in the color 2 medium. So lately I've been trying to eat like as healthy as possible because of my skin. I want my skin to clear up, and this summer I just want like the hottest body that I can get. So that's why I've been like trying to cut out sugar as much as I can. Eat it as less as possible, and then sometimes eat it when I'm like really feeling like it. But I've just been I just started. I think I haven't eaten like anything sweet. I've been busy doing this for like a week, and I had 2 big downfalls. So I would say it's not going great, but for me it is. Like yesterday I hadn't had any snack after dinner. The day before I also I haven't had a snack for 3 days. The day before I had like a little addiction, I would say. I don't know. It's really bad. So especially when I'm like at my boyfriend's house, like this. By the way, the blush that I was using is the Starla blush from Benefit. This happens mainly when I'm at my boyfriend's house, because whenever I'm there, I just need to stay there, because if I have a parking spot, I just need to keep my car there, because if I'm going to the supermarket to get just a nice little something, just a nice sweet treat, then my parking spot is gone and I can like put my car somewhere in Spain, and I would have to walk so far. Found out their lava cakes are I've never had such a good thing in my life. By the way, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Wand highlighter, and I'm now gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. To get it delivered to your house, you need like a certain amount of money that you like need to spend for them to deliver it. And so I already like to eat 2 of them. I don't like one, that's like not enough, so I have to go with 2. But then I'm like missing a euro, so I have to order another one because there's nothing from €1 that I'm like. And then when I get it and no one wants to eat it, I feel bad for the lava cake that it's just gonna get thrown away. So I just eat the 3rd one too, which is like really super bad. But I just can't, I don't know. So bad. And it's like €15, and I do it like sometimes like 3 times a week, which is like insane. Like, who does that? I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Labs Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the color brown. Now I'm gonna be taking my Madison Beer palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm gonna smudge my liner out with that. I'm now gonna curl my lashes. Figured out that you just need a good lash curler, and also the rubber part like in your lash curler, that like you need to switch it up. You can't just clean it. And I never knew this. A while ago I was like cleaning it out, and I just saw that this line like fully punched through the like cushion thingy. And I was like, that cannot be good. But I still haven't bought a new one yet. So if anyone has like good recommendations of like lash curlers, let me know. I'm now gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury mascara. I could like almost call this like a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. At the moment, it's just my favorite stuff. I'm gonna do the lips, but something still feels off. It feels not done. It doesn't feel like poof. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. I'm gonna be using Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. It's the Lip Cheat liner in the color Love Trap. It's a really nice color. I'm slightly overlining my lips. I have the Morphe lip liner in the color Date Night. I think I'm gonna like add this on top. And then I'm gonna blend it out. So not excited to go. I know I started this vlog with like, I'm kind of excited-ish. I just hope it's gonna be fun. Not that I don't like the girls, like that's not it. I'm more of a stay-at-home type of girl. I'm gonna go for red lip. It's fierce, isn't it? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use the NYX. So it's the Blooded Gloss in the color Red Velvet. It's kind of sexy, isn't it? Like in this lighting, you can like, with my back camera, you can see it way better. Are we feeling this or are we not? I don't know. I think it's kind of sexy. Kind of like, I'm having a crisis. It's like an hour later and I'm supposed to leave now, but I just don't know what to wear. Right now I'm wearing this, and when I'm sitting down, it's cute, right? When I'm standing up, I'm just not feeling it. But that's also because of my shoes. I just don't know what shoes to wear. I think I'm just gonna go with it because I need to go too, so I don't really have a choice. Also, it's fucking winter, so it's probably gonna be really fucking cold. But I'm just gonna act like I'm really warm. I also decided that the red lip is not gonna be it. I got rid of that. I cut up my clothes. I wore dresses as tops. I was tying my long dresses up with safety pins and trying to make them short, and nothing is working out. Also, I have been lasering like my armpits, my vagina, and my legs, and usually I could not go a day without shaving because I would immediately have hair. And now I was looking, I was like, oh, there's like barely anything, and I've only like lasered twice, so love life. But this is the final fit. My top is from White Fox. Jeans are also White Fox. And then for shoes, everyone is going on heels. I am not, and my excuse is that I'm driving the car. So yeah, but my boots, I don't know if you can see them. They're like rain boots, and they kind of look like the Balenciaga, like the long Crocs, which I think is cool. This is my bag. It's the Bottega one. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it as a clutch or if I'm gonna wear it as like a bag, but whatever. Perfume, I'm gonna wear a Kayali Vanilla 28. Also have the limited edition like body mist of the perfume. My Summer Friday lip and my Charlotte Tilbury. The Summer Friday one is the Lip Butter Balm Vanilla Beige, or Beige Vanilla. And now I'm gonna go. If I don't see you guys after this, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.